Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I know that I've got the gesture set, but I will simply guide you to the proper section and show you how to switch the 3 buttons to the gestures. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's enter System Navigation, and obviously if you've got the buttons you will have this view, those options. I just wanted to draw your attention to the button layout so you can customize it here, so you can reorder the back button and the recents. So to set the gesture, simply tap on this animation or on the circle. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial, and of course if you want you can do it. I will show you later on how to use the gestures. Instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some actions. If you want you can hide it here just by tapping on the switcher. And here we've got the sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures to experiment with this section, because after that time you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower, especially if you're putting your device in a case or any other situations, for example during gaming. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you'll see this arrow. Now you can release the finger, and as you can see you just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short. Just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, so elongate the motion, like that. And after releasing, here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.